Welcome to the free life insurance training video brought to you by lifeinsurancetrainers.com. I'm Mark Militello, and today I'm excited to share with you a copyrighted tool that I'm going to give you for free. You'll be able to download it on lifeinsurancetrainers.com website. I'll try to make that available to you as soon as possible. I've used this tool to sell thousands of life policies. So let me explain this to you, and you can download a copy and you can read the bottom. I mean, it tells you what it is. It may look confusing, but it's the simplest 2-minute life insurance discussion you'll ever have with a client. So how about I just take you through it? Mr. Miss Client, if you gave me $1 million to invest, now who cares what I invested in? Okay, who cares? Let's just say I invested in a wide, broad range of things, and I could average you a 6% rate of return. Now, long term, that should be doable, right? I would hope so. That's maybe more of a conservative number, but hopefully being more conservative will provide that. You follow me? Now, the government's going to get some money, so if you invest $1 million with me and I give you 6%, we got to pay the government something, right? We've got to make this realistic, so let's reduce it by at least 15% taxes. So basically, what this shows you is if you invest $1 million with me, I can provide you with a check every month for $4,300. That doesn't seem like $1 million doesn't seem like a lot of money as an income provider, right? So help me do this, and this will do number one, which I come here to do, number one, which is to find the perfect need for you and your family. Now, I could crunch all the numbers, the debt, everything to pay off your mortgage, to pay off credit cards, to pay off cars, maybe even college education. But you know what? When your home is at a 3% mortgage and you've got 0% on your auto, I believe if that income, if you could tell me what income your family would need to continue on to having their lifestyle the same or better, at least the same as what it is, if we could continue that lifestyle, then guess what? If the house is paid off in 15 years and we didn't kill the leverage, then you get a pay raise, for instance. And again, I'll pick on you, sir, because us men, unfortunately, statistically, we go first. So you died. Your wife had $1 million in life insurance on you. She told me, Mark, invest it and try to average me that 6% rate of return. So we did, and we were successful. And we sent her $4,300 a month. Do you follow me? Now, she could take the $1 million principal and pay off all the debt, but then she would not have the leveraged income, right? And that's fine. That's her money to do what you want. So simply look at the right side of this chart, Mr. Client and Miss Client, and tell me what income level you want your family to have to continue on. $8,500 a month? Perfect. That means it would take $2 million of principal, and that's the exact amount of life insurance we need to apply for to protect your family's standard of living. Fair enough? Thank you. I hope this chart helps you. It cuts to the chase. And let me just tell you one more thing before we close. I've rarely sold $2, $3, $4, $5 million life policies, but I have sold a lot of income replacement in the range of $8 to $12 to $20 to $30,000. So what I mean by that is people do not like buying more than $1 million of life insurance. They don't. And I've been doing this for 28 years, and I can tell you I've been with some wealthy individuals that most people don't go beyond the $1 million. They don't see the need, or they don't understand. $1 million sounds like a hell of a lot of money, right? But I can tell you when you share this chart with them, they need and want and must protect that monthly income, which drives up the death benefit. So this helps them visually see that they're not buying a $3 million life policy, they're protecting that $13,000 a month income. And when they understand the visual and the story behind this, now they're more motivated to have that $3 million policy because they see what it can do, why they need it, instead of $1 million, $2, $3 million policy. Hope this helps, and good luck. We'll see you at the top of the charts.